Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn Oliverio and today is July 2024 and it's 8:15 in the morning. So today I'm going to discuss about my belief that everything happened for a reason. So magkikwento lang ako. Yun lang. So let's start. So year 2021 was my first spiritual awakening wherein I lost my job. I was working from home and nagtatrabaho ako sa WNS. And when I lost my job, actually nakalabas na ako nun sa hospital. And then, kwento ko sa boss ko kung anong nangyari, but then he decided na I will be terminated. So, yun. But during that time, nasa Tagaytay kami and umuwi kami kasi ayoko magstay sa Tagaytay kasi walang wifi. Yun. Masaya sa Tagaytay, malamig, tahimik. Namimiss ko na nga eh. So, nung nakauwi ako ay naganap ako ng trabaho. And then, I got hired for some companies. Pero hindi ako nagstay kasi meron silang mga assessments. Kasi ayoko ng mga exam, ganun. Tapos sasabihan ka na kapag hindi ka nakapasa sa exam ay tatanggalin ka na. And ayoko na pagdaanan yung exam na yun. So, umaalis ako dun sa mga company na yun. And when I lost my job, I felt like my life has no direction. Parang ang lungkot-lungkot ko and I feel like I'm worthless kapag wala akong trabaho. So, I decided kung hindi ako magkakatrabaho ay mag-aaral na lang ako. Kaya ako'y nag-enroll sa SPCBA San Pedro. I took Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Secondary Education, basta yun. Major in English. And I studied there for almost a year. Kasi bali second semester na nun. First year ako. And before ako mag-stop mag-aral, nakapag-report pa ako sa American Literature. And it was a groupings report and pinili kong topic is ang poem ni William Wordsworth. Ang title niya is I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. I-upload ko dito sa channel ko yung presentation ko. Actually, in-upload ko siya sa Facebook ko. So, i-upload ko dito if you want to see it. And I think that poem helped me a lot in my self-love journey. And masaya din ako kasi na-share ko yung ideas ko about self-love and how to find your passion nung ako yung nag-report. And as my awakening journey started, my twin flame started to communicate with me again. And there was one night that hindi ko alam kung yung twin flame ko yung nakipag-usap sa akin sa mind ko or yung monologue. Pag sinabing monologue is kinakausap ka na mismong sarili mo. You hear yourself. Pero sa isip mo lang. So, I'm not sure if it was Lilith or my twin flame. Basta, may kumausap sa akin. And sabi niya is, Ayesha is only 5 years old and 2 years pa bago siya mag-7. So, I decided na magtigil mag-aral and just focus on my family. And masasabi ko na everything happens for a reason dahil tinanggal lahat ni God ng sasagabal sa aking spiritual awakening. Kasi, mararanasan mo yung self-love kapag parang there's nothing that you are proud of. Like yung mga external happiness. Yung wala kang bagay na ipagmamalaki like job or anything na tangible. So, magkakaroon ka ng self-love kapag nag-focus ka inward, within yourself. And hindi ka kasi magkakaroon ng spiritual awakening kapag hindi ka muna nagkaroon ng self-love. Yun. So, and also, he didn't allow me to have a job. And he made me stop studying. So, I can stay home and focus on my family and my spiritual awakening. And I don't want to own this idea, but just like I said before, I felt so worthless when I have no job. But that was because ginagawa kong yung external happiness as an identity of who I am. And right now, I don't have a job, not even studying. But I'm okay with that. Teka lang, may langaw. Ano ba, langaw? You're not invited. So, I'm okay with that. And I am at peace with myself. And my boyfriend told me to find a job. Yung twin flame ko, yung jowa ko ngayon. So, nakakainis naman eh. So, ito yung scenario. Ayoko mag-apply kasi I feel like companies are not ready for me. Sinasayang nila ako. Charot. Yeah, I just feel like I can't be myself dun sa way of ano ba? Ang hirap i-explain. I cannot be myself sa mga BPO company. Unlike before na yung trabaho ko sa teleperformance and I was a chat support. So, na-express ko yung my empathy to my customer sa paraan na gusto ko. And walang AHT, which is something that I really, really like kasi hindi ako nape-pressure sa mga calls. Yan. And reason why hindi rin ako nag-a-apply kasi yung mga account is something that I don't like. Yan. Kasi kapag hindi ko gusto yung account, hindi ako mag-excel. And I feel stupid kapag yung account ay hindi ko gusto kasi hindi talaga ako hindi ako nag-exert ng effort. And pag gusto ko kasi yung account, my talent comes naturally. Yan. So, I started vlogging because I feel happy kapag pinapanood ko yung sarili ko na magkwento. And I started vlogging for my future self and for my future kids. So, I think I'm going to end this video now. That's my thought about everything happened for a reason. Thank you so much.